Hi everyone, my name is Pradeep Kumar. Today we are going to discuss about some important topic of commerce accountancy. So that is the topic is the amount of subscription. How can we calculate the amount of subscription? The questions are given there. From the following information, calculate the amount of subscription. So the question are given there. Subscription received during the year rupees 80,000. Subscription outstanding are given there, and subscription received in advance are given there, and one the most important point are given there. Subscription of rupees 2000 are still in errors for the year 2016 and 17. How can we calculate that question with the help of this information? So that is the most important topic of the all commercial students. So now we are going to discuss about the solution. So then first of all, calculate the amount of subscription. That is a so simple point are there. So we are going to maintain a one box. So one box are there, and right inside the box one is outstanding subscription and one side is subscription received in advance. So write it there and write according to the situation, that is the 31st 3/17 and 31st 3/18. So write there 31st 3/17 outstanding subscription are there 26,000, but 2000s are still in error, so minus 2000, so that is a 24,000 are there. And again that is a 6,000. So subscription received in advance in 31st 3/17, that is a 15,000 and that is a 10,000. So that is a simple way to calculate cross multiplication. Means that is plus, that is minus, that is plus, that is minus. So simply we are going to be calculate the value of subscription are be there. Okay. So that is a simple funda to be a calculate a subscription. So that is a simple funda. That is a minus, that is a plus, that is a plus, that is a minus. So that's how can we calculate in the subscription. So therefore actual subscription, first of all actual subscription are given there, that is a 80,000 less outstanding subscription, that is a 31st March 2017. So that is 26,000 minus 2,000 means 24,000, that will be less. So write in column. Again that is a 2018, so add outstanding subscription 31st 3/2018. So what is the amount are there, that is a 6,000. So that is value will be added in the subscription. Then again less subscription received in advance, that is the value of 31st March 2017, 31/3/17. So that is the value is 15,000. So that will be plus, and again that will be plus, and again less subscription received in advance. So that is the 31st 3/18. So what is the amount are there? That is a 10,000. That's going to be a less. According to this formula, cross multiplication, that will be a less and that will be a less. That is going to be plus. So use this formula to calculate the value of subscription. That is a very easiest method to calculate the value of subscription. So then how much is remain? That is remain 80,000 minus 24,000 means 56,000, that is 62,000, that is 77,000, and lastly the value is outcome. What is the values outcome are there? So the values outcome are there. Sorry, outstanding subscription, that is still at 2016 and 17. So that's going to be less there also. So that is a 6,000 minus 2,000. So that is a 4,000. So that's going to be plus, and lastly that will be outcome 65,000. That is the actual value, yeah, amount of subscription. I hope you understand very well. That is a very simple way to calculate the value of subscription, and it is a very easy method to calculate the value of subscription by using this cross multiplication. So if the subscription are given inside the table, yeah, inside the trial balance, so then you are calculating that way. Okay, thank you.